Today, we review the 5 best air nail gun that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification as it will help us grow. So let's get started with the video. Number 5. The DEWALT Brad Nailer Kit. The DEWALT Brad Nailer Kit, DWFP 12231, is a high-quality tool that is perfect for any professional or DIYer looking for a reliable and user-friendly brad nailer. This kit comes with everything you need to get started on your next project, including a carrying case and an owner's manual. One of the most notable features of this brad nailer is its long-life maintenance-free motor, which helps to keep the work surface free from stains. This means that you can use this tool for a long time without having to worry about costly repairs or replacements. Another great feature of this brad nailer is its tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for proper setting of nail heads. This means that you can easily adjust the depth of the nails to ensure that they are properly set, without having to use any additional tools. The tool-free jam release mechanism is another great feature that makes this brad nailer easy to use. If a nail gets jammed in the tool, you can easily remove it without having to use any additional tools. This makes the brad nailer much more user-friendly and eliminates the need for any additional tools. The rear exhaust on this brad nailer helps to keep contaminants away from your work, making it a great tool to use in any environment. It also helps to keep the tool clean and free from dust and debris. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right product and your importance. Number 4. Makita AF 5062 2-inch brad nailer. The Makita AF 5062 2-inch brad nailer is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for any woodworking or construction project. With a powerful motor and a range of 18-gauge brad nails that can be driven from 5/8 to 2 into both hard and soft woods, this nailer is sure to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The body of the nailer is made from durable and lightweight aluminum, which makes it easy to handle and maneuver. The magazine and cylinder are also made from aluminum, adding even more strength and durability to the tool. Weighing in at only 2.9 pounds, this brad nailer is easy to use and won't weigh you down on the job. One of the standout features of this brad nailer is its narrow nose design. This allows for easy access in confined areas, making it perfect for tight spaces and hard-to-reach corners. The built-in air duster also provides convenient airflow to clear the work surface, making it even easier to work on your project. Another great feature of this brad nailer to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right product and your importance. Number 1. Bostitch Brad Nailer Kit. The Bostitch Brad Nailer Kit is a powerful and versatile pneumatic nailer that is perfect for DIY projects and professional use. This kit comes with the 18GA Brad nailer, which features smart point technology, making it easy to place nails with precision and accuracy. One of the standout features of the Bostitch Brad nailer is the smart point technology. This technology allows for easy nail placement thanks to the smaller nose compared to traditional Bostitch nailers. Additionally, there is no need to compress the contact trip to actuate the tool, making it more user-friendly. The 18-gauge brad nailer can drive 18GA brad nails from 5/8 inch to 2 1/8 inch in length. This makes it suitable for a wide range of projects, from furniture building to trim work and more. Additionally, the oil-free operation reduces the risk of oil stains, making it a cleaner option for your projects. The Bostitch Brad nailer also features a tool-free jam release mechanism, which makes it easy to remove nails when they become jammed. The dial-a-depth control allows for precise countersinking of brad nails, making it perfect for projects that require a professional finish. Additionally, the Bostitch Brad nailer has a selectable trigger system, which allows for sequential or contact operation. This gives users the flexibility to choose the operation mode that best suits their needs. The nailer also has a rear air exhaust and belt hook with an integrated pencil sharpener. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right product and your importance. Stay tuned.